Hi, I am Mamta Mittal. I am Art Director at Art Explorer Academy. Hope you will enjoy today's session.
Okay, so today we are going to learn the drawing using the hand gesture. Okay, so our hands does lot of wonderful things throughout the day. Okay, so so it feels good and it feels so exciting to make the drawing using your hands. Okay, let's do the work. Okay, so we will be making 2 to 3 drawings. Let's see how much we can complete in the session. So we will start. So we are going to make a giraffe. So see how we will be making the giraffe. We have 5 fingers in our hand. Okay, index finger, forefinger, and thumb, and little finger, and the middle finger. Okay, so now I'm going to fold my index finger of the left hand, and then I'm just going to draw. So you can just make a line over here. Let's make a line over here so that we can make 2 drawings. So just keep your paper horizontal like this. Okay, keep your paper like this and make a line in the center. Okay, then just keep your finger fold, the index finger fold, and keep your hand like this. And you need to outline your hand using the black sketch pen. So just observe how I am gonna do it. So you can cover a little bit of your arm area. So this is how we are going to do it. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so after this, we will make the little hairs on the forehead of giraffe, this, and we will make the big eyes. Okay, and then just leave a highlight in the eye. And make a semicircle kind of thing here for the nostrils, and this is the mouth of the giraffe, and these are the nostrils. Okay, so and there is some pattern design on the body of the giraffe. So I hope everybody has seen giraffe in the zoo. Okay, so now we are going to make the ear for the giraffe. So I'm just going to extend this part a little bit, and I'm going to give it a corner like this. And similarly for this as well, I'll just add an extra line here and little bit of hairs in the ears of the giraffe, and on this side as well, on both the ears. Okay. So I'm waiting for you guys for 5 minutes to complete your drawing. Then we will move on to the coloring. Okay. So the drawing is complete. I will move on to the coloring in 5 minutes. So please try to complete your drawing. By that time, I'm just filling the eyes of the giraffe. Don't forget the highlight in the eyes. It has to make a person look alive. Okay. So just going to fill in the nose as well. Like this. So you can take out the yellow and orange color for the body of the giraffe. So if you don't have orange, you can use brown color as well. Okay. I'm just waiting and you guys complete your drawing. Then after that, we will move on to the second drawing and then we will color together. Okay. Let's finish the drawing part first, then we will move on to the coloring part. Okay. So you do this much, then we will move on to the next part. So hope everybody has understood the drawing.
Ma'am, please.
Okay. Yes. Yes, please tell me who is speaking.
Ma'am, so JK Vaibhav, is my drawing okay?
Yes, it's perfect. Perfect. Good job. Good job.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Is my drawing okay?
Yes, Shravya. Yes. Yes, I have checked for everybody. Everybody's drawing is good. Yes, Shravya, it's fine.
Drawing okay?
Yes, Shravya. Good job, everybody.
Ma'am, there is some issue with your camera.
What is the issue with the camera?
Ma'am, it keeps
You have to
saying with your camera. It is paused and the drawing.
There is no issue, but we need to rejoin again. Everybody,
Ma'am, it is showing as an issue with the camera.
You have to rejoin, beta. Okay? Please rejoin. Okay. So now we will move on to the another drawing. So I'll just take the sketch pen and I am going to make a.
Ma'am, we will do the other drawing in our other class, and that is at 3:45.
Yeah, so I'm making one more drawing over here for the hand gestures. Okay, so I'm gonna make a what you call this?
Ma'am, there will
Tortoise.
be
So
recorded
how to make a
sessions.
tortoise? Yes.
Ma'am, there will be recorded sessions.
Yes, it will be available. So you can check it after the class as well. Don't worry.
Ma'am, is
Okay.
this orange and yellow okay?
No, we are not going to color it right now. I'm going to make another drawing. So which is tortoise. Okay. So you keep your hand like this and just trace your hand. Like this. Okay. And now I am going to make the legs of the tortoise, and everybody knows that tortoise are very small, but you have heard the story as well that slow and steady wins the race, right? So everybody might have heard about the story of the.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, your voice is also coming very cracky.
You need to rejoin, beta.
Ma'am, your camera is paused. Okay, ma'am. The camera is paused and the voice is cracky.
You need to rejoin.
I'm not getting what you're
There is some
saying.
issue on your side. There is an issue on your side.
I can see it
Okay.
completely fine here.
No,
Yeah.
ma'am. No, ma'am, my internet is full.
Please rejoin
No,
again.
ma'am, my
Please
internet is full.
Have a look at my drawing.
Okay, so now we are going to make the tortoise, and this is the eyes of the tortoise, and the eyebrow, and the mouth. Okay, and the body of the tortoise like this. So you can just make the design in the body of the tortoise. Like this. Okay, so our tortoise is also ready. Okay, so I'm going to color it up now. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking yellow and orange for the giraffe. So I'm just going to color it yellow. So you can mark it. So in this area we will have orange. This one orange. So this is complete yellow. This is yellow. And this is yellow. And this is orange. And this is orange. This one, this one, this one. All are orange. And the body is yellow. Okay, so you can just mark it like that. And then you can fill the color. Just we need to fill the color. See, when we are filling the color, there should be no white spot. Okay, then only it look beautiful. So if you go sequentially like this, then there are less chances that you will leave the white spot and it will look more beautiful rather than doing zigzag zigzag. Okay. So, just fill the color line by line. So it feels so relaxing when you color and when you look at the vibrant color. So this is the beauty of the art. So art is very relaxing. It helps you relax and make you feel good when you complete a drawing. So you can see how you have utilized your time and come up with the beautiful artwork. So art is a part of our everyday life. You will see art in any and everything, whatever you do in your day-to-day activities. For all the festivals, celebrations, decorations, you will see different form of art. Rangoli art, paper craft for decorations. Okay. I'll just make another line over here. This ear need to be orange. So we will have yellow color only in this area. Okay, so I'm almost done with my yellow color. So now I'm going to do orange color. Please try to do the neat and beautiful work, and don't forget to submit your work. Yes, you can color the picture after the class as well. That is your choice. So I'm just showing you the demo. So you can use any color, any medium. You can use watercolor, you can use oil pastel, you can use pencil color. So anything is fine. So if you have any question, you can add it in the chat box. Yes, I have seen the giraffe in the zoo many times in the Mysore Zoo. As soon as you enter the Mysore Zoo, you will see lot of giraffes standing in front of you. And I love about that zoo that you get to see the giraffe in Mysore Zoo. So giraffe has a long neck and they are pretty quiet animals, right? They are not very wild. Yeah, so this is, we have made the tortoise and we are going to color it quickly. So I'm just going to finish the giraffe with the orange color and then we are going to color the tortoise. Please don't forget to upload your picture on the Facebook page. I will send the link. So you have been doing it since last 2 months. So please upload the picture. Best entry will get the recognition separately on my Facebook page. I would love to see your beautiful work you are doing. So I'm just going to repeat the procedure how we have done it. Okay. Okay, so giraffe is done. So now I'm going to color in the tortoise. So for tortoise, you need to take green and blue color. These two colors. I will check everybody's drawing once it is done. Okay. So I'm just going to complete the this tortoise. So in this part of the tortoise, we are going to do blue. Okay. And in the nails as well. Okay, and in this area, I'm going to do green color. Oh wow, Kavish has done the tortoise also. Very good, Kavish. You are super fast. Even I am not done. It takes time to fill the sketch pen. Oh, you are making a rabbit also. Yes, yes. Very good. So we are going to quickly finish it off. Okay. So that we can move on to the next one. just unmute everybody. Okay, so let me just quickly finish it off. And we can move on to our next session.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
Ma'am, we have to join next session also.
And see my drawing.
Ma'am, we have to join next session also.
You can continue
Excuse me, ma'am.
session. You can
Can you see my drawing? Ma'am, please show the tortoise again. How to draw?
Okay, so this is how you have to keep your hand.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you
please see
hear
my
my voice?
drawing. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can please see my drawing. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, ma'am, this is GK Viber. For that shells, like you did like a shells up. What color we have to do that? Ma'am. Ma'am. Can please see my drawing? Ma'am, can you see my drawing? Ma'am, can I show my drawing? Ma'am, in every alternate color, you can keep like blue, green, actually, or blue, bluish green, blue, bluish green.
ma'am, you're muted.
Yes, ma'am. You're muted.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's still on mute. Ma'am, it's still on mute.
You can do any color of your choice. You can make it multicolor, rainbow color.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, you guys are super fast. Let me also complete. Please wait for me for 5 minutes. Okay, then I will check for everybody. Please. Please wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me
Okay.
complete.
Ma'am, but after you finish, can I show my rabbit too?
Yes. You can show me.
Teacher,
Just wait.
do I need to show you my picture?
You can show if you want. Yes, definitely. I would love to see your work. Complete it and just put it on the Facebook. I will share the link after the class. Please put it on the Facebook.
नहीं त्यांनी सांगायला
This is a please mute. So this is an international group. You are sitting with the international students. So from different part of the world, you are sitting and sharing the screen. So everybody would love to see your beautiful work. Please put it on your Facebook and the most beautiful drawing will be recognized separately on my Facebook page. Okay, if you're going to put it on your Facebook, then please tag Art Explorer Academy. Okay.
Ma'am, the JK Vaibhav. This is my drawing.
Wait, JK Vaibhav, I told you let me complete, then I will check for everybody. Just
Let
give me
ma'am
5
complete.
minutes.
Let her finish her drawing quickly.
See, you guys are super fast. So I also need to learn something from you as well, because I'm doing multiple things at the same time. That's why it is taking time, right?
No, ma'am. Why I did so fast was I was using brush pens.
Yeah, so you can use brush pen if you have. So I'm using the supplies which everybody can afford. Okay, I'm not asking anybody to use the expensive supplies. So sketch pen is the easiest available material in the market, so everybody can afford it. That's why I have kept it sketch pen. So you can use brush pen, pencil color, watercolor. It's totally your choice, your creativity. Watercolor, acrylic color. See, a drawing is a drawing. So you can use multiple coloring medium for that. And guys, we are coming up with the art competition. Okay, the last date for the submission for art competition is on. We will be hosting a national level art competition. Please, there is a no theme. You can submit any of your artwork. Okay, so it will be shared in my social media handles. Okay. So everybody, please, my drawing is complete. So quickly just show me your drawings so that we can move into the workshop. Yes, Mohit's iPad, wonderful drawing, wonderful.
Yes,
Taking
ma'am.
them a wonderful. Yes, Charan,
Ma'am,
very
this is
good.
Arav. Can you see my drawing?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Arav,
can you
very
see
good.
my drawing?
Coloring is left. Arav, you need to complete it. Yes.
Please see my drawing.
Moksha,
Ma'am, what is
beautiful.
left?
Beautiful. Moksha, beautiful.
Good for you, like if you know really easy. Finding you go. Really.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is left?
Right.
See my drawing.
Please, everybody, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Otherwise, how will I see your drawing? Beautiful drawing. Please switch on your cameras.
Can you see mine? Ma'am, this is JK.
I have checked your drawing. Pranchi, show your drawing. Pranchi, Advika, very good.
Ma'am, can you see mine? Ma'am, please see mine.
Yeah, Jai King, Jaining, very good, very good. Beautiful. You have used fluorescent colors. Very beautiful. So, Lokshitan, very good.
Ma'am, is my drawing.
Kavish, oh, Kavish has made a rabbit as well. Wow, wow, pink color. Very good, Kavish.
And please
Good
see
job.
my drawing.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Wonderful work.
For you.
Please don't forget to submit it. Okay. So I'm just going to repeat it once more. We have just made the drawing by folding our index finger and we kept the hand like this and we just raised our hand and we did the coloring. Okay. So the tortoise, how we have made? We just folded our hand, all the 4 fingers, 1 thumb open, and we just traced the hand. So that is how we have come up with the tortoise. Okay. So this session is over. Let's move on to the Worli art session. So take a new paper.
Ma'am, now we did it.
Yeah, we will be doing it. So you can, if you are not done with the coloring, you can
Ma'am,
do
it
it.
is a Ma'am, it is a painting.
No, it's drawing only. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't did.
Okay, you can complete it after the class, beta. Okay. Okay, so let's start.
I hope you had a wonderful session. Bye. Thank you.